Hello, in front of me I've got JBL Quantum One app. In this video I'll show you how to manage equalizer of your headset. Firstly, make sure that your headset is connected with the computer via USB cable, and now go to Equalizer. Enter Bass Cut or any equalizer preset from the right side of the app, and now you can select between Bass Boost, Bass Cut, Clarity, Flat, FPS, High End Boost and Long Session. Also, you can adjust it manually on these bars. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.